Audi Yaris versus Yaris, which is better? Most people get this wrong by looking only at speed or price. The surprising truth is that the Audi Yaris and Toyota Yaris serve different driving experiences. The Audi Yaris is a luxury sports coupe with a 2.5-cylinder turbo engine producing 394 horsepower. It excels in smooth handling, stability, and high-speed cruising. Inside, you'll find premium materials, advanced tech, and a refined driving environment. It's perfect for drivers who value comfort alongside performance. The Toyota Yaris, on the other hand, is a hot hatch designed for agility and fun. Its 1.0 turbocharged engine produces 257 horsepower, but the real thrill comes from its lightweight body, all-wheel drive system, and precise handling. It's unbeatable on tight corners and rally-style tracks, though sacrifices some luxury and interior space. In terms of price, the Yaris is more accessible, offering raw driving excitement, while the Yaris provides a blend of performance and sophistication at a higher cost. Maintenance and fuel costs are also considerations, with the Audi being more premium. In conclusion, choose the Audi Yaris for refined speed, luxury, and high-speed comfort. Opt for the Yaris if you want lightweight agility, track-ready performance, and fun in every corner. Both are exceptional, but your priorities determine the best choice.